Dear student, today we will discuss another property of liquid. The property of liquid, that is evaporation. 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 In evaporation, the evaporation is the conversion of liquid into vapor. The conversion of liquid into vapor either by exposing liquid to air at room temperature or by heating it below its boiling point is known as evaporation. Dear student, evaporation is a process in which a liquid converts into vapor below their boiling point. Okay. For example, the boiling point of, you know that the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. If particles of water evaporate below the 100 degrees Celsius, that means the case is known as evaporation, because the particles leave their surface and go into the air below their boiling point. Okay, students? Dear students, evaporation is a surface phenomenon. The surface of water molecule or liquid contain heat from the source, and when the particles of liquid get heat energy from the surrounding, it escapes into the air by the leave their surface, because after the absorb heat energy around their surrounding, from surrounding became, the particles became more energetic and leave their surface. Okay, student? The surface again, evaporation is a surface phenomenon. Surface means the phenomenon which occurs only on the surface of the liquid. Here, if phenomena are bulk, then we say that the phenomena start from here. But the evaporation only the surface phenomenon, so the phenomena observe only the surface. Okay, student? Dear student, here the factor of affecting evaporation. Factor affecting the evaporation. ऐसे कौन से फैक्टर हैं जिनसे इवेपोरेशन पे इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है? तो जैसे फर्स्ट है नेचर ऑफ लिक्विड. द फर्स्ट इज नेचर ऑफ लिक्विड. लिक्विड का नेचर कैसा होना चाहिए? लिक्विड कैसा होना चाहिए? लिक्विड हैव lower the boiling point, higher the rate of evaporation. जिस लिक्विड का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट जितना कम रहेगा उसका इवेपोरेशन उतना इजी होगा. The liquid which have the lower boiling point have higher rate of evaporation, वो उतना फास्ट इवेपोरेट होगा. Dear student, for example, we know that the boiling point of ether is 34 degrees Celsius and boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. You know that ether have lower boiling point as compared to water, and you know that also know that when boiling point lower the boiling point, higher the rate of evaporation. Here ether have the lower boiling point, that means it have higher rate of evaporation. Okay, student? So we say that hence ether evaporate faster than water. Okay? Dear student, now discuss another factor, that is temperature. here the temperature. How to temperature affect? How to temperature affect the evaporation of a liquid? Dear student, when temperature increases, rate of evaporation of a liquid is also increases. टेम्परेचर जैसे जैसे राइज करेगा वैसे वैसे लिक्विड क्या होगा, वेपरेट उतना फास्टर वेपरेट होगा। ओके स्टूडेंट, सरफेस एरिया, surface area means here this glass have the surface area and this have a surface area. Here the surface area of this tub is greater than this. Okay, so if increase the surface area बढ़ जाएगा तो क्या होगा, rate of evaporation भी faster होगा. If you put the water, kept the water in a glass, 100 ml of water in a glass and 100 ml water in a plate, a dish, for some minute, observe it. You observe after few minutes the waters which are present in the plate or dish evaporate faster as compared to water kept in glass. Okay, because the plate have more surface area as compared to glass. Okay, now discuss next point. The next point, when wind velocity is increases, हवा जितनी तेज चलेगी क्या होगा, रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन उतना फास्टर होगा. रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन इंक्रीजेस विद इंक्रीज द वेलोसिटी ऑफ विंड. ओके स्टूडेंट, जैसे आप लोग क्या करते हो कि अभी आपने क्या किया, अगर आप थोड़ा सा पेट्रोल ले लो, ठीक है, पेट्रोल ले लो, उसको एक पेट्रोल को एक प्लेट में रखो, ठीक है, उसको उठा के आप जो है एक ऐसे कमरे में रख दो, रूम में रख दो जहाँ पे फैन ना चल रहा, और एक प्लेट में और पेट्रोल लो और उसको एक ऐसे कमरे में रखो जिसमें फैन चालू हो. तो आपको मिलेगा कि जिसमें आपने फैन स्टार्ट करके रखा था पेट्रोल को, वो वेपरेट जल्दी हो गया, और जिसमें आपने फैन नहीं स्टार्ट किया था उसको वेपरेट होने में टाइम ज़्यादा लगा. सुना क्या? So we say that wind velocity increases, rate of evaporation increases. Okay student, now humidity means, firstly you know that about humidity. Dear student, humidity is the amount of water vapor in air. Amount of water vapor in air is known as humidity. Dear student, वाटर जितना ज़्यादा होगा एयर में, ह्यूमिडिटी उतनी हाई होगी. ड्यू टू ह्यूमिडिटी, इफ ह्यूमिडिटी इंक्रीज देन द रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन डिक्रीजेस. डियर स्टूडेंट, इफ यू हैव अ वेट क्लॉथ, जैसे आप कपड़े जो भीग गए आपके तो क्या होगा, तो यही होगा. देखिए सेम एग्जांपल, वेट क्लॉथ take longer time to dry in humid air, but they dry faster. Here, when you dry the cloth in humid air. Humid air means a air in which amount of water present. Dry air means air in which the amount of water is minimum. Then the wet cloth dry faster in the dry air as compared to humid air, because when humidity is increases, rate of evaporation decreases. Okay student, when amount of water present in air is maximum, then evaporation are decrease. Humidity higher है तो evaporation lower हो जाएगा. Okay. Now discuss evaporations causes cooling. Evaporation causes cooling. Are you know that due to evaporation, surface became cool? Yes. It because the surface particles, the particle present on surface take heat energy from the bulk of the liquid. The particles present on the surface, they take heat from the bulk means lower part, bulk of the liquid. So they became more energetic and escape into air as gas. The particles present on the surface, they take heat energy from the bulk of the liquid and became more energetic and escape into air Okay student, escape into air in the form of gas. This result in fall of temperature of the liquid. इससे क्या होता है कि जो लिक्विड का टेम्परेचर है, जो सरफेस है, इसके लिक्विड का टेम्परेचर क्या होता है, क्योंकि इधर से सारा टेम्परेचर तो ये एब्जॉर्ब करके लेके चला जा रहा है, इस वजह से जो लिक्विड का टेम्परेचर है वो क्या हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो जाता है. दैट मींस ये सरफेस कूल हो जाती है. इसलिए तो हम लोग कहते हैं इवेपोरेशन कॉजेस कूलिंग, बिकॉज द ऑल हीट which are present in the bulk of the liquid, they absorbed by the particles present on the surface. Therefore, the heat are decreases at the bulk and became the cool. Liquid became cool. Okay, student. Dear student, here the liquid is thus cooled. Again, read. Because the evaporation causes cooling because the surface particles take heat energy from the bulk of the liquid, so they become more energetic and escape into air as a gas. This result in the fall of temperatures of the liquid and the liquid is thus cooled. Dear students, same phenomena are happened in earthen pot. आपने देखा है ना, गाँव में घरों में earthen pot पहले रखते थे. उसमें क्या होता है कि उसपे पॉट्स बने होते हैं और उस पॉट्स से वाटर होता है, बाहर ड्रॉपलेट्स आते रहते हैं और लगातार वो वेपरेट होते हैं, कंटिन्यूसली वेपरेट होते हैं. और वेपरेशन की वजह से उसका जो सरफेस होता है, जो earthen pot जो होता है सरफेस कंटेनर होता है, वो कूल हो जाता है. इससे उसके अंदर रखे हुए जो वाटर लिक्विड्स हैं उनका टेम्परेचर भी लो होता है और इस वजह से earthen pot में जो वाटर है वो कूल रहता है. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ अ क्वेश्चन, व्हाई wear cotton cloth in summer? Why wear cotton cloth in summer? Are you know that why we wear cotton cloth in summer? Are you know that? As we wear cotton cloth because cotton are good absorbent of sweat. When cotton absorb sweat and sweat evaporate and escape into air, due to this our body became cool. So answer is here. The sweat draw heat from our body and evaporate, and you know that due to evaporation our body became cool. So wear cotton cloth in summer, and always remember the reason why we wear cotton cloth in summer. Dear student, in the chapter first, remaining more and more topics, but I teach you very clearly. So please make a notes and write everything which are explained on the whiteboard very clearly. Okay, thank you very much.